guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my Monday minis. These are one of my favorite videos to record, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start rolling the dice. All right, I hope everyone is doing well. Let me count this cash. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So I'm actually not going to use this cash tray because that's just more bulk, but I do want to lay out my challenges. Okay, so let's start. I have 6 challenges here. Every time I roll the dice, that whatever number it falls on, that challenge is going to get $2 until I'm done with these 20 singles. So 6 is going to get 2. 4 is going to get 2. 3 will get 2. 2. 5. 1. Okay, everyone got some love today. That's good. I need 4 because 4 will have the last 2. Oh man, come on. This if I roll a 4, I'll be completed that challenge. Ah, it's okay. 5. All right, so I'm going to put these off to the side, and we're going to go one by one. Alrighty, so let's just go ahead and do renew. So I have $1, $2, $3, $4. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch off. I'll do a 3 and then a 1. Let's go to the front. This challenge now has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and $18. And it's going to save me $75. And this one was from Budget with Carly. It was a freebie that came with one of my purchases from her. The next one is everyone's invited to the picnic. Let me go ahead and get a card so I can color on this. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's great. Okay, so let's just get some markers up here. So I have 6. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do a 5 here. And then a 1. So this challenge now has, this all together. So it has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2. 22 out of 64. And this is from Living Simple Studio. The next one is Sandwich Artist, and this one got $2. So, all right, I'm just gonna color in part of this here because I don't have one that has 3. So I'll just, the next time we do this, let me cash stuff this in here. So this has, right now, it has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay? But I'm still missing a 1 from there. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put 1 next to it because I'll forget. And this is also from Living Simple Studios. The next one is Snowball Fight, and I only got 2. Snowball Fight now has 1021 2. And this one also is from Living Simple Studio on Etsy. The next one is Tiki Bears. I love this one. Okay, let me get that up here. So we have $4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight this 3 here. And then this one here. Tiki Bears now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and $20. That's great. That challenge is going to save a good amount, but I like it because it's lower denomination, so that's why I included it in my Monday minis. Okay, so the last one is mbbmusic. So I have $2. So I'm going to go ahead and color in 2 bubbles. I mean 1 bubble, not 2. This one from mbbmusic has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. So let me see how many minutes this is. Before I go, I do want to open up some Happy Mail. I have one little Happy Mail from Budget with Carly. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. This was some saving challenges that I bought from her. So let me go ahead and open this. I couldn't resist getting more saving challenges. It's been a while since I bought these. I haven't bought any new saving challenges in a minute. They're so adorable. I love her freebies. They're so like achievable and so great. Look at these adorable stickers. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Thank you so much for your continued support. Happy savings. Budget with Carly. I love this little duck paper clip. It's so cute. Okay, so the first one that I got was all I want for Christmas is more books. I don't celebrate Christmas, but I thought this was an adorable challenge because I love books. It's so colorful, and yeah, and this one saved $75. My bells don't jingle without coffee. Oh my gosh, this was so adorable. $75 this is gonna save. This just reminds me of like pure coziness. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, and then the last one is, hang on, let me girl math this. What? Hang on, let me girl math this. This is so cute. This is gonna save $100. Yeah, so these are some new saving challenges that I purchased. It's been, like I said, a minute. Let me see. Yeah, these were actually, they're stamped from the post office on the 31st of January. So it's been a minute since I've ordered. But all right, you guys, so that is it. I am so tired right now. I'm trying to bulk record so I can get some videos out for you guys, but I hope everyone is having an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me some sort of fruit emoji. That way I know you guys are at this point. You guys, I already said this. Take care, have an amazing morning, day, or night, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye.